There isn't just one United States military base in Okinawa, but rather a network of installations that have evolved over decades. These facilities, ranging from large air bases to smaller Marine Corps camps, form a critical part of the US strategic posture in the Asia-Pacific region. One of the most well-known and sizable installations is Kadena Air Base, but other important facilities include Marine Corps camps such as Camp Foster, Camp Hansen, and Camp Kinser. Below is an overview that weaves together the history, infrastructure, and roles of these bases as they relate to Okinawa. After World War II, Okinawa came under US administration as part of the post-war settlement with Japan. Over time, a substantial US military presence was established on the island as part of the mutual defense arrangements between Japan and the United States. Okinawa's geographic location in the Ryukyu Islands and its proximity to mainland Asia have made it an ideal base for projecting power and ensuring rapid response across the region. The clustered installations act as both a deterrent to potential regional threats and a logistical hub for US military operations in the Asia-Pacific. Often recognized as the largest and most prominent US Air Force installation in the region, Kadena Air Base occupies a significant area near the town of Kadena. It is a high-readiness facility designed to support a variety of missions, from air superiority to intelligence gathering and rapid deployment. The base features 2 long runways that accommodate a wide range of aircraft, including fighter jets, refueling tankers, and surveillance planes. A network of hangars, maintenance facilities, and logistics centers ensures that aircraft are kept in peak operational condition. Kadena is home to operational units, whose missions include tactical air operations, early warning and control, and other critical command and control functions. In addition to its airfield operations, the base houses administrative offices, communications infrastructure, and support services such as medical facilities, schooling for dependents, and recreational centers for military families. Kadena serves as an essential forward base for the US Air Force, allowing rapid deployment of air power in response to regional crises or contingencies. Its extensive facilities support a mix of training exercises, real-world operations, and joint military planning with Japan and other allies. Serving as one of the key Marine Corps compounds in Okinawa, Camp Foster acts as an operational headquarters and logistics hub. It hosts a range of functions, from administrative command elements to troop housing and training facilities. The base's infrastructure supports daily operations and provides essential services to Marines stationed in the region. These facilities, though smaller in scale than Kadena, are critical for maneuvers, training exercises, and as staging areas for deployments. They often support specialized units and can serve as forward operating sites during regional military exercises. The US military presence takes up a significant percentage of Okinawa's land, historically estimated at nearly 18% of the island. This has been a point of contention within local communities, as the large military footprint affects land use, local development, and the environment. Noise, environmental concerns, and incidents involving service members have occasionally strained the relationship between military personnel and Okinawan residents. Over the years, there have been ongoing discussions and negotiations between the US military, the Japanese central government, and Okinawan local authorities about realigning or reducing the base footprint, along with relocation initiatives. For example, plans related to Marine Corps Air Station Futenma. In addition to serving immediate military needs, the installations in Okinawa function as nodes in broader US-Japan defense cooperation. Joint exercises and coordinated operations are regular features of the base activities, underscoring the strategic alliance between the two nations. The debate over the future of these bases continues as political, environmental, and security considerations evolve. Efforts to relocate certain functions to less populated areas on Okinawa or even off-island have been part of long-term discussions aimed at balancing American strategic interests with local and national Japanese concerns. In summary, the US military presence in Okinawa is not defined by a single base, but by an interconnected system of facilities that include Kadena Air Base, an extensive airfield complex vital for regional operations, and several Marine Corps camps that support ground-based missions. These bases have evolved from post-World War II arrangements to become integral components of a forward-deployed military posture in the Asia-Pacific, while also playing a central role in ongoing discussions about land use, local impact, and strategic realignments in the region. Okinawa Prefecture in Japan hosts a significant presence of US military bases, which have played a key strategic role in the Asia-Pacific region. Historically, there are approximately 30 to 35 US military facilities on the island, including major bases, airfields, and smaller installations. These bases are managed primarily by the United States Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force and Army in cooperation with the Japan Self-Defense Forces. Kadena Air Base, the largest US Air Force installation in the Pacific, featuring extensive operational facilities, numerous aircraft, and advanced defense systems. Futenma Marine Corps Air Station, a major marine aviation facility, often at the center of discussions about military presence in Okinawa. Camp Hansen and Camp Schwab, marine facilities supporting ground operations and logistics. White Beach Naval Facility, supporting naval operations and logistics. These bases are equipped with a range of military technology, including fighter jets, surveillance systems, communication hubs, and logistical support facilities. The bases are highly sophisticated, with modern military technology, secure communication systems, and extensive infrastructure. Their operational details, capabilities, and the specifics of their equipment are generally classified to protect national security. While not mysterious in the conventional sense, these bases often operate with a high level of secrecy concerning their full capabilities, strategic plans, and certain defense technologies. This is standard for military installations worldwide, especially those involved in sensitive operations or strategic defense initiatives. The presence of these bases has been a topic of local and international debate, balancing strategic security interests and the desires of Okinawan residents for reduced military activity and environmental concerns. Numerous protests and negotiations have taken place over the years regarding base relocation, operational transparency, and the impact on local communities. In summary, the 32 or so military bases in Okinawa are highly sophisticated military installations with advanced capabilities, but their detailed operations and technologies are not publicly disclosed, contributing to their aspect of strategic secrecy rather than mystery. They represent a vital component of US-Japan security arrangements in the Pacific region. These installations continue to serve as a cornerstone of regional stability and alliance cooperation in the Asia-Pacific theater. The US military bases in Okinawa play a significant role in maintaining regional security and stability in East Asia. Strategic location is one of the key factors, as Okinawa is situated near the East China Sea, providing easy access to the Asia-Pacific region. The bases serve as a deterrent to potential adversaries, particularly China and North Korea. The presence of US military forces in Okinawa demonstrates the US commitment to its allies in the region, including Japan and South Korea. The US military bases in Okinawa also provide humanitarian assistance and disaster relief to the region. The bases serve as a staging area for US military forces responding to natural disasters and humanitarian crises in the Asia-Pacific region. Overall, the US military bases in Okinawa play a critical role in maintaining regional security, stability, and prosperity.